How to screen share Opera GX without black screen on Discord. Now in this quick video, I'll show you one of the method for you to be able to share your screen from Opera GX without black screen using Discord. So you do not have to touch anything or any from the settings on Opera GX. What you want to have to do is to tweak the settings around Discord. So pull up your Discord client and make sure that you're logged in. Now access this icon here that will redirect you into user settings. And then from user settings at your left side, just simply go into voice and video. Now, once you click that, you will see a lot of drop downs here. Just simply go into streaming. And then from streaming, choose on show advanced stream settings and make sure to turn both of these options off. Turn off use our advanced technology to capture your screen and turn off experimental method to capture audio from applications. Now, once you have this turned off, go back to this tab here, then go into advanced. And then make sure that the developer mode hardware acceleration is turned off as well. And that is how you screen share Opera GX without black screen on Discord.